Do you know? In seconds, your view of access control could change. In schools, factories, and government, risks are greater than expected. See the truth. ACTi Access Control, a full solution with servers and devices, bringing security to the next level. First, let's start with live view. ACTi supports tree, list, or EMAP modes. Each access point shows up to 4 video channels, alerts under 1 second. Color-coded alerts guide staff instantly. From dorms to warehouses to archives, entries are clear. This isn't just monitoring, it's proactive defense. Next is event notifications. ACTi tracks log status, access attempts, tampering, and more. Events forward to NDR and CMS. Picture a forced door, warnings pop up in email, app, or line alerts sent instantly. Custom rules match each site, letting schools, factories, and government react fast. Then comes video analytics. ACTi integrates ALPR for gate control. Face recognition blocks unknowns, granting access only to authorized users. In factories, it checks helmets or vests. From school parking to factory gates to government VIP zones, AI reduces risk and boosts efficiency. Smart security in action. Another key feature is control. ACTi provides two-way intercom, so staff confirm visitors before unlocking remotely. Beyond single doors, it supports emergency unlocking. In dorms, visitors are verified first. In factories, only authorized staff enter. In government, fire or quake triggers instant exits. Control ensures safety. Let's also talk about recording. ACTi logs events and commands NDRs to record instantly. When someone enters a lab or warehouse, events and videos saved together. Managers replay directly from the server. Snapshots and logs back up securely. Schools, factories, and governments get reliable evidence for safety. Finally, we have search. ACTi enables quick lookups by device, user, event, ID, plate, or time. Campus teams find records, factory managers trace attendance, government reviews visitors. Fast, precise searches improve management and ensure zero blind spots. Why ACTi? Compared to Access, it offers equal or better specs, yet saves 30 to 50%. Spend less, gain more. For integrators, it means advanced deployments at affordable cost. In education, factory, and government, ACTi provides unmatched value. Don't miss this chance. For schools, factories, and government, ACTi Access Control means safer operations and smarter efficiency. Contact ACTi today and upgrade to a new level of protection.